Ready to start your online journey? Signing up for HostGator is your first step toward creating a successful website. Today, I'll walk you through how to sign up for HostGator and choose the best hosting plan for your needs. Let's get started. First, click the link in the description below to visit the HostGator website. Once you're on the HostGator homepage, you'll notice several menus and options, such as hosting, tools and services, and domains. To begin the registration process, click on the Get Started button. On the next page, you'll see a variety of plans with different pricing and features, including Hatchling, Baby, and Business Plan. Review the options and choose the one that best meets your needs by clicking the Buy Now button. For this example, I will select the Baby plan. Next, it's time to select a domain for your website or business. Enter your desired domain name in the search field and click Search for Domain. If you already own a domain and would like to use it, select the option that says I want to use a domain I already own. Then enter your domain name and click Use this domain. Alternatively, you can choose to select your domain later by clicking Choose Domain Later. You'll now be directed to the checkout page. Here, select the time period for which you want to purchase the domain. Once done, click the Continue to Checkout button. Next, fill in your billing information, including your first name, last name, address, email, and phone number. Under the Account Information section, create a strong password for your account. In the Payment Information section, choose your preferred payment method, such as credit card or PayPal. For example, if you're paying by credit card, enter the card holder's name, card number, security code, and expiration date, and click Submit Payment to finish your registration. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation email with your invoice and a link to your HostGator control panel. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more guides like this, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next upload. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your new website.